And we're back. We got back yesterday morning and pretty much just spent the day working and doing laundry and unpacking and getting settled. It feels good to be back. I feel like that feeling on vacation where like you need to get away, but then like the last day of the trip, you're like, I'm ready to get back to routine. I definitely appreciate some routine in my life. So I am swinging over to the flip because we had so much done while we were gone. The outside of the house got painted and it looks so good. And we got some electric done and we got some painting done inside. So I'm gonna go check it out. Look at that. I'll post a picture in the corner of what this looked like before. So I decided to go with a off-white for the siding and the brick, and then these beige gray shutters. Honestly, I really love the low contrast between the two. And then we're gonna be replacing the door, and I'm gonna do a pop of color on the door. I've also had so many people be like, why are you replacing the door? Like, fix it. But there is a lot of water damage, and overall it's just damaged. You can tell it's been kicked in. So we've been having to use a padlock. So we're gonna get that fixed this week. Noah has been over here working on the last little bit of demo, getting up this tile in the entryway. And then we got some electric done while we were gone. It looks so much better now that we have the can lights in here, so much brighter. And then we had some priming done. So all of the ceilings and the walls upstairs got primed. It smells so much better in here. I can't even describe how bad it smelled before. He also ripped up the rest of the floor in the kitchen. So you can see up here, we just have a little bit more demo to do. Vanity's gone. We just need to finish ripping out the bathroom floor downstairs as well. And then as far as the bedroom goes, we just had some holes that we need to still patch. And then, like I mentioned, the ceiling's been primed. So everything is gonna get painted in the next week. So goal this week is to finish up electric, and then we are gonna be drywalling this little area here and drywalling downstairs. So I really need to decide on paint colors, order light fixtures, and order all of the flooring. Also installing the new doors, like sliding doors, front door, and all of the closet doors. Started demo on the deck the other week, so we got to finish that up and then start to work on this backyard. They used to have a pool, so that needs to all get thrown away and then fill in that hole and then get rid of all of this poison ivy and weeds and get rid of that sketchy barrel.